Hello friends and welcome to your YouTube channel iTech World. Today's video is going to be an exciting one as we dive into the world of essay writing and explore the incredible platform writerslabs.com. In this live demonstration, I shall take a citation style test on this platform, so you must not miss even a single moment. But before we get into the challenge, let's talk about Writers Labs, a hub of creativity, expertise, and limitless opportunities. This platform is not just about writing, it's about honing your skills, connecting with like minded individuals, and making a real impact through your words. One question that might be in your mind is how much can writers earn on this Writer Labs platform? Trust me, the earning potential here is truly remarkable. With a variety of projects, flexible hours, and competitive compensation, you will have the freedom to take your passion for writing to new heights. From academic essay to creative pieces, Writer Labs offers a diverse range of assignments that cater to your interests and expertise. Plus, you will get valuable feedback and support to help you grow as a writer. So, if you are looking to challenge your citation style mastery and embark on an enriching writing journey that rewards you both creatively and financially, Writer Lab is the best place to work with. So, get ready to witness a citation style test and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay tuned for more exciting content like this. Let's begin this incredible writing adventure together. Subscribe now and be the part of our thriving community. So let's get started. We have 7 days to submit this test. Okay. While taking this test, uh, you must not make you must not be panic. You must research thoroughly. I have already marked the options. Okay, finding out from authentic and real sources. Let's try to attempt this test. The very first question is choose a correct statement. We have got four options. In the very first question, we have option number third. C option is the most appropriate option. Choose a correct statement. This one is the most appropriate. An APA in text citation consists of the author's surname and the year of publication. This is the most suitable option. Okay. Keep in mind, uh, the, the citation style test is always the same. Whenever you take this test, you would find the same questions, but you might face different orders. The numbers and orders of the question would be the different, but you will find the same test whenever you take. Okay, so you must memorize. You must look at this test quite carefully, so you might not find any complication in future while attempting this test. Which option correspond to the correct seventh edition of the APA style? For it, we have option B. Okay, just have a look carefully. The order of the options might be different in the next coming test. Okay, but keep in mind this one is the best option. Just have a look. Okay. Come to question number three. Page numbers should always be included in Chicago style citation. Option B is correct. No. Let's move to question number four. The correct Chicago style citation is option A is correct. Okay, just have a look. This one is the most appropriate option. Okay, let's move to the next question. Choose the correct variant of MLA style citation cited sources. Okay, for it, option D is the most appropriate option. Just have a look. Is that clear? Okay, let's move to question number six. Choose the correct Chicago style citation. Option A is the most suitable option. Okay, move to the next question. Is there an option not to include an author in MLS style citation? Yes, option A is correct option here. Let's move to question number 8. Choose the correct Chicago citation format. In this question, option A is the most appropriate option. Okay, just have a look carefully. You might have different orders in the coming test. Okay, but keep in mind this one is the most appropriate option. Okay, look this option quite carefully. Let's move to the next question. Paraphrasing should still be cited. Of course, yes. Option A is the correct option. Okay, move to the next question. When combining citations in APA style, both of the author's names should be divided by brackets. No. Option B is the correct option. Let's move to the next question. Choose a correct statement. Full citation form is used when the source is cited for the first time only. Option C is the best option for this question. Okay. Choose a correct MLA format. Here option A is the most appropriate option. Okay. Check it quite carefully. Okay, let's move to the next question. Which option corresponds to the correct seventh edition of the APS style? Option A is the correct option for this question. Okay, just have a look. Let's move to the next question. Book title should be in italic in MLA style when citing an ebook. Yes, option A is the most appropriate option. Let's move to the next question. Parts of another paper can be used if you rephrase but do not cite them. No. Option B is the correct choice here. Parts of another paper can be used if you rephrase but do not cite them. Okay. Option B is the correct option. Let's move to the next question. Which option corresponds to the correct seventh edition of the AP style? This one is the most appropriate option. Okay. Option B is the correct option. Let's move to second last question. Which of these sources should not be cited in APA? Personal interviews. Option B is the correct choice here. Let's move to the last question. Page numbers should be placed in the top left corner when APA is used. No. Option B is the correct option. Okay. So keep in mind you will always find the same questions whenever you take this test, but the sequence and order or numbers of the question can be different. Okay, so you can attempt this test quite comfortably and get through this test easily. Okay, I have uh, researched from different authentic sources and marked these questions appropriately. Okay, so don't worry, you can respond in the same fashion and get through this test easily. Okay, good luck and see you some other time in next video. Let's submit this test. Okay, we have submitted this test and we will get the result in the coming days.